Oh! Alright guys, this is Ray here from Raggedy. So today we're going to be installing that Cobb intake and actually setting up that tune as well with the Cobb access port. So Danny, what are we doing?
Scotch tape. What are we doing?
Installing an intake.
Installing the intake?
So what are we doing?
Installing the intake.
This here is what I got ready. So pretty much a couple little things, a couple tools that I have. For what I read on the instructions on the Cobb website, that's all you need. It looks like it's just a 8mm, 8mm and a 10mm socket, an extension, open-ended for a 10mm, and this is just my little, I guess for the L tools, the little, whatever you call these. So there's that one. I think this one's for the, the one here. The one that goes right there. And then I got another one for the box here. So got this thing used. It already came kind of already assembled. Looks like whoever took it off, they just, you know, they didn't completely take it all apart. So that's that right there. Now one of the main things or first things that I will be doing is go ahead and pretty much clean this little filter. Looks like it's pretty dirty. I will remove that right now real quick, and then from there clean that up. Just some degreaser. I'm gonna spray it all around. So we're gonna let it dry. Ooh. So this is what I'm actually using. This is the K&N air filter oil. This you can actually get it from AutoZone. All right, so O'Reilly's or just any little auto parts store. All right, so let's begin. Let's remove all these little clips. And remove this little thing here. Oh, there's a bee. Barry B. Benson. He's attacking me. Out of the way. We're gonna reuse this one here. We're gonna attach it to the Cobb one. Cobb intake.
Hey, more ball.
Ah, look at that. So the same screw, I'm gonna go ahead and pretty much just align that real quick. So this thing, do the inside here. So align it. Last part, just go ahead and pretty much stick this thing in, huh? So there it is. Just set up the Cobb stage 2 or stage 1 plus the intake map on, and now we're about to go and test drive this thing, see what the difference is. You know, when I first did the stage 1 with no intake, it was kind of small difference. I guess mainly was the pedal, but now let's see what this one does.